All right, now we're doing 7Q Switcheroo. This is by PG1 and 93% of people like it. Given a string made up of letters A, B, and or C, we're going to switch the position of letters A and B. We're going to change the A to B and vice versa and leave any incidence of C untouched. So like this, the A's and the B's are switched up. Yep, that's what we're going to do. All right, so this, let's start off by making this concise syntax. Let's say const here, switcheroo equals X, and the rest of it's going to be an arrow. All right, and I'm going to put it on the next line because I don't have too much room here. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to use the replace method so we can replace. And if you don't know about the replace method, it returns a new string with some or all matches of a pattern replaced by a replacement. The pattern can be a string or a regex. In this case, it's going to be regex. And the replacement can be a string or a function for each match. In this one, we're going to use a function, all right? So basically, the syntax is going to just be regex and then the replacer function right here. So let's get to it. We're going to say x.replace, all right? And for the regex that we're going to put in there, let's set that up real quick. As far as the regex, we're going to have to use a range. And let's go down to ranges on the regex page so I can show you what it is. They changed the group and ranges page so we can only see it here, but basically if you put a range in brackets, like A and B is what we're going to do, it'll search for both of those things, or whatever the range is for that matter. And so we're going to do over here, we're going to have the brackets, and we're going to say A and B, and then we're also going to say, we're also going to use the global flag on that. Let me go down here. And the global flag right here, the global search flag, you just put it on there and it'll search for more than just one A or one B. All right? So we're going to say AB here, G here. Now we're going to do the comma, and now we're going to do the function. And the function we're going to have is, we're going to say element here, and then we're going to do the arrow. And then we're going to say if element, there we go. If element equals A, also we're going to use the ternary operator for this because we don't want to just use an if-else statement. Those are way too long. The conditional or ternary operator is the only JavaScript operator that takes three operands: a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. And like I said, this operator is frequently used as an alternative to an if-else statement. So we're going to say if element equals A, we're going to change it to B. And if not, we're just going to leave it A. All right? We're going to change it to A. Why? Because it's only searching for A's and B's, so it's either going to be an A or B, so change it to A because it's not A, and hopefully that makes sense. Let's test it out. There we go. Attempt it, 1 millisecond on that one, 6 milliseconds, looks pretty fast. Fast enough for us, and we're going to submit it. And then, very much like this one, let's go to My Solutions. This one right here, it's the same as the best practice. I just don't like putting X, I'd rather put element. But yeah, anyway, best practice over here, and we'll see you next time.